All right, so funny story. I'm out there taking a panorama with the iPhone, and a jet flew into my freaking frame. It was a beautiful shot. Let's see. He just flew into it. I thought I was going to catch him a couple times, but I just got him on the one that I could see. Where is it? It's hard to find, too. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Come on, buddy. There he is. There he is. All right, can you see that? That's just as much as I can zoom in. Anyway, how cool is that? Yeah, that's some good luck I need today as we're out hunting for gold. We need that kind of luck. Yep. Mike.